Hi, in this assignment, we are going to look at a leave application form. So this will be the first screen. This or something similar to this, a couple of things. You should create an employee front, and this drop down should be populated from the employee front. When an employee is selected, the designation and the department should be automatically filled in through patching, of course. And then so should the available leaves, right? And then when you click on the start date and add the number of days for leave, the end date should be calculated automatically. Once the number of days of leave is entered, then the leaves remaining should be displayed here. So this will be the first state, which is the leave application state. Once this state is completed, then we will move on here to the second state. So in the second state, it is a leave approval state. The second state, the form data, most of this remains the same. Please remember to change this into from a drop down into a text box. All of these fields would ideally be read only, and there will be a text area here for the manager's comments. And below this, you will have to add radio buttons to indicate whether the leave is approved or not. So you will have two more. So this is the second state. The third state will have all of these fields and a message here that says leave is approved or leave is rejected. So this will kind of be the flow: apply for leave, approval, and then either the leave is approved or leave is rejected. So please remember to do the business variable mapping at whichever state it is required. And happy coding. Bye.